Good morning, my dear students. Myself, Sachin Alfred, your new chemistry teacher. I think all of you are fit and fine. Keep yourself inside the room. Don't go outside because very critical time is going on. Now, my dear students, the first chapter of your chemistry book is matter and its composition. So before knowing the composition, we must know about the matter. What is the matter? Let's see. The learning outcomes of these chapters are describe matter, discuss the constituent. Constituent means atoms or molecule of the matter, explain the forces which keep atom and molecule in matter together. Means after these classes you will know what is a matter, constituent of matter, and what is a force between the constituent particles of matter. Now start. First topic is matter. What is a matter? Here, any substances that occupy space and has mass is called matter. Yes, it is very clear, very right. Anything that have mass and occupies space is called matter. I think you have also mass. You are also occupying space. Means you are matter. Air is there. You know? Mixture of gases are there. You can't see, but you can feel it. It has mass, but negligible mass. It can occupy space also. It is called matter. Yes, it is matter. Here in picture you can see that few examples are given: solid form matter, liquid form matter, gases form matter. Now move to the other page. Properties of matter. What is a property of matter? You know the matter. Matter is very clear. Anything that have mass and occupy space is called matter. Properties of matter. First, it has mass or weight. First thing, mass and weight are different thing, but you will learn it about in later classes. Mass and weight. Next, it occupies space. It can be perceived by one or more our senses organ. Means we can feel it. It is made up of very tiny particles is called atom. We know that in our surrounding there are two kind of things are there: living things and non-living things. The living things, they are made up of very tiny smallest particles, that is called cell. But non-living things, they are made up of smallest particle, that is called atom. So now move to other page. Examples of matter. I have given here. There are two kind of matters are there. Already we have discussed living and non-living. Let's see living things: plants, trees, animals, humans, microorganism. These are living matter, and non-living matters are solid, liquid, and gaseous form. Means all these are matter. Matter has mass. What is mass? The quantity of matter contained in a body is called mass. Quantity. First point is that quantity of anything which are present in a body, that is called mass. It cannot be changed. Either you are on earth or you are in moon. Quantity will remain same. It's mean mass cannot be changed. But weight changes from place to place because weight depends on gravitational force, and every planet has different gravitational force. Suppose your mass is 36 kg on the earth. You know what is the mass of your body on moon? Just divide your mass by 6, yani 1/6 part, yani 36 divided by 6, you will be there 6 kg only, because gravitational force of moon is lesser than the gravitational force of earth. So that's why, my dear students, mass is a quantity but weight depends on gravitational force. Now move other page. Experiment to show air is matter. Yes, it is invisible, you cannot see where is the air. So we can show a experiment here. You can see one balloon is filled with air, other is empty. An inflated balloon shows that air occupies space, prove matter occupies space. Means what is written here? You can see that balloon which has air, which is heavier than empty balloon, means air has mass, not the very high mass. You can say air has mass, but it is negligible. But air can occupy space. But air can occupy space. It is a very clear from this experiment. Air has mass and occupy space. Now next, state of matter. There are 5 state of matter: solid, liquid, gas, plasma, and last one is that Bohr-Einstein condensation form. But we need to know only 3 state of matter: solid, liquid, and gas in your class. So let's move. You can see the picture here. State of matter, what I am giving: solid, liquid, and gas. And it's very clear from the picture. In a solid cube, you can see that volumes are same. Volume of these matters are same, but arrangement of molecules are different. In a solid, you can see that molecules, means constituent particles, are closely packed. They have very less intermolecular space, means the space between two particles is called intermolecular space. And you know that when space is less, attraction will be more. Suppose if you have two magnets, if you will bring two magnets near, what happen? It will attract. Means in solid form, particles are very close to each other, means they have high intermolecular force of attraction. You can see in the case of liquid, molecules are quite far apart from each other. It has more intermolecular space than solid, and when space will increase, force of attraction will decrease. And now in last, in liquid form, in gaseous form, you can see that molecules are very far apart from each other, means it has greatest highest intermolecular space than solid and liquid, means it has least intermolecular force of attraction. So now move next, solid state. You can see very clear image is given. All particles are very closely packed. They have very less intermolecular space. Examples: stone, metals, glass, wood. All these are solid, and molecules are packed very close each other. You can see very clear in this picture. Now move to other slide. Properties of solid. Solids are rigid. Why? Because molecules are closely packed. They do not have much intermolecular space, so they cannot be compressed. They have definite shape and volume. They cannot flow. Yes, they cannot flow because all particles are held together by strong force of attraction. They cannot be compressed. Already we have discussed in this class. So my dear student, today it was the last topic. Again we will continue in other class the properties of liquid and gas. Thank you.